So we start out on the home page and we click on Gallery, and you will see that the gallery landing page shows all photos that have been uploaded, so you can see all the different layouts that have already been uploaded. We also have gallery categories, so we have featured, anything goes, digital, handmade cards, hybrid, and if you click on more, you will see that we have more gallery categories to upload your images to. So to upload a layout, you want to click on the plus button, find your layout. I'm going to click this one. And it will open up in a new window. And this is where you want to put in all of your information about your layout. So I'm going to go ahead and rename it. This is just what the file name was. I'm going to name it Preschool. Title page, obviously Harvey. And in this text box here, you can include the kits, the products that you used. I used a core kit and pieces from Studio Calico monthly kits. Some people really like to spell out exactly what they used for each layout. You don't have to, but some people like to do that. So that's where you would put that information. And if you want to give a brief description about if it's an event layout or a special like mini album, or if you handmade a card and that's what you're uploading, this is a nice area where you can include some details about those things. If you have a tutorial or a step-by-step process on how you created this layout, this area would be the best place to include a link to a blog or website that kind of shows the steps or processes you took to do this layout. Okay, so down below you will see the URL here. This is where you can access your layout, or if you want to copy and paste this somewhere else or on your blog later on, this is the URL that will access this layout. So I'm going to go ahead and change the name of that to match the title. So I'm going to name this Preschool Title Page Leslie Harvey. So then that's the URL to access that image. Below that you will see an area where it says tags, and you can include as many tags as you would like. So because I used a Becky Higgins core kit, I'm going to go ahead and put Becky Higgins. And then to add another tag, you just hit comma and it creates the tag for you. And then you can keep adding them. So I'm also going to say Studio Calico, preschool. If someone's looking at doing a search for preschool style layout, that tag will bring them to this layout. I'm going to say bright colors, confetti, because I used confetti in one of them. So the possibilities are endless when using tags. You can just add as many as you want, and if you want to delete it, then you just click the little X button and it will remove it. The more tags you have, the more your layout is going to show up when people are doing a search for these words, for these keywords. Okay, so moving on, down here is one of the most important parts about uploading your layout to our gallery. These are the different categories that we have. We will probably be adding some in the future, but these are the ones that we wanted to start out with. So because I used Studio Calico, and Studio Calico is a monthly kit, I'm going to go ahead and choose that category. And because I used Becky Higgins Project Life, a core kit from her products, I'm going to go ahead and include that one as well. So you can select as many of these as you want by holding down the control key. So I have monthly kit selected, hold down the control key and click on Project Life by Becky Higgins. So now I have my layout will show up in 2 of those categories. So once you have looked this over and everything looks correct in the way you want it, you click Publish. And you'll see that it will show up under all photos. And if I go over here to the monthly kit clubs, my layout shows up there and under the Project Life Becky Higgins. There's my layout. So if you need to make any changes to that layout, just click on the image, and then you will see that you have the plus and the pencil key. This star is showing up because I have admin access to the site and I can feature layouts, so you won't see the star. But if you need to make an edit, go ahead and click on the pencil, and then all of this information comes back up and you can make any edits that you need to. And then make sure that you click update when you're done. And I also wanted to show you that if you're viewing this from a kit club or from a category, layouts in that category will also show up underneath. So you can see that here's my title, posted by me, date and time in these two different categories. There's the layout. Here's my description that I typed up about the layout. And then here are the tags that I created for the layout. You can click on follow so that if you want to be emailed every time someone comments on your layout, you can do that. Or if you don't want people commenting on your layout, you can also click close comments. And then this is where people will comment on your layout, is in this text box here. Love the bright colors. Click comment, and you will see that this is where the comments show up. If you have any questions at all about uploading your layouts, or if you're having any issues, we have created a page in the forums that we would like you to submit your questions or concerns to. Questions and answers. And here I've started a topic called questions about how to use the site. Just click on that and then you can type in your question and we will answer it to the best of our ability. Thank you.